The 2026 Rolls-Royce Mansory Phantom is not just a car, it's a statement of extreme luxury blended with bold performance upgrades. When you hear Rolls-Royce Phantom, your mind already goes to unmatched elegance and class, but when Mansory puts its touch on it, everything steps up to a new level. This is the kind of machine that turns heads not just for what it is, but for what it represents: absolute exclusivity. Let's start with the exterior because that's the first thing anyone notices. The 2026 Phantom already carries the imposing silhouette that Rolls-Royce is known for, but Mansory reshapes it into something even more commanding. The traditional long hood, high beltline, and upright stance remain intact, but the body kit changes the character completely. Mansory has added sharper, more aggressive lines, especially around the front fascia. The signature Rolls-Royce grille is still there, but it's framed by carbon fiber elements that make it look both futuristic and intimidating. The bumper has larger air intakes, not only enhancing cooling but giving the car a sportier appearance, which is unusual for a Phantom. The side profile is even more striking. Mansory has fitted it with lightweight forged wheels, often finished in bold contrasting colors, and wrapped them in performance tires. The wheel arches are slightly flared, and carbon fiber side skirts add to the athletic stance. At the rear, Mansory doesn't hold back either. You'll find a redesigned bumper with an integrated diffuser, along with a subtle yet stylish lip spoiler. The taillights remain elegant, but the surrounding elements give them a sharper, more modern edge. The entire body, especially with the custom Mansory paint finishes, makes the Phantom look less like a chauffeur-driven sedan and more like a rolling piece of high-performance art. Performance is where Mansory really changes the Phantom's personality. The standard Rolls-Royce Phantom already comes with a massive 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12, producing over 560 horsepower. But Mansory has tuned this engine to deliver even more power, pushing output close to 600 horsepower, with torque figures that make this nearly 3-ton machine move like a lightweight sports car. The upgraded exhaust system not only improves performance but also adds a deeper, more commanding note to the usually silent Phantom experience. Acceleration is noticeably sharper compared to the standard version. The Mansory Phantom can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 5 seconds, which is remarkable given its size and weight. The handling also gets attention, with Mansory stiffening the suspension for better control without compromising too much on ride comfort. It still floats on the road like a proper Rolls-Royce, but when you push it, the sharper steering and enhanced grip make it feel far more engaging than the factory setup. It's a rare blend of ultra-luxury and performance tuning, something you almost never expect in a Phantom. Step inside, and you're greeted by the kind of craftsmanship Rolls-Royce is famous for, but with Mansory's bold interpretation. The Phantom's interior already feels like the cabin of a private jet, and Mansory enhances that with custom leathers, intricate stitching, and carbon fiber or exotic wood trim, depending on the owner's preference. The Starlight headliner, one of Rolls-Royce's most iconic features, remains a highlight, but Mansory often adds its own unique lighting patterns to make it even more personal. The rear seats are designed for maximum comfort, with reclining, massage functions, and endless customization. In the driver's seat, the steering wheel and controls receive subtle sport-inspired touches, blending performance with luxury. The technology remains cutting-edge, with a fully digital instrument cluster, a state-of-the-art infotainment system, and hidden screens for rear passengers. Every surface you touch feels exclusive, from the thick carpets under your feet to the precision metal switches. Mansory doesn't just make changes for the sake of it, they elevate the already high standard to something even rarer. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Mansory Phantom isn't for everyone, and that's the point. It's built for someone who doesn't just want a Rolls-Royce, but one that stands apart from any other on the road. It's a car that balances supreme luxury with aggressive styling and upgraded performance, showing that even the most elegant sedan in the world can be turned into something bold and powerful. For those who can afford it, this is more than transportation, it's the ultimate expression of status, taste, and individuality.